In this video, I'm going to tell you my personal experience with the LuxAlgo indicator after using it for 2 years and what I think about it. I'm going to tell you exactly what's behind that algorithm and compare it to our tizen signals. If this sounds interesting to you and you always want to stay up to date when it comes to algo trading, definitely stay until the very end and subscribe to the channel. So why is the LuxAlgo such a popular indicator? It's just insane how much following they have. Well, as it is with everything, it's just due to the marketing. Their website is fantastic. Everything looks nice. Everything looks exciting. It's kind of tailored towards gamblers mostly, honestly. And you also see that when you look at the TikToks, they have a massive amount of followers.
Here's how to use premium and discount zones with...
And it's just like targeted to stress people to get that push, to get that rush. I mean, nothing against great marketing. Of course, you have to do great marketing. Let's see what the product actually offers. So I've already added it to the chart, and this is how it looks like. On the first glance, it looks really messy. Then you zoom in and you think like, okay, no, actually it makes sense. But you always have to keep in mind, these signals appear at the candle close. So most of the times, the move has already ended. Like the signal appears here at the candle close, gives you a sell signal, and it went only up from there. The same here and the same here. The signal appears on the candle close on top here, and it went only down from there until the next signal. So actually a way you could trade that is to do the exact opposite, but still that's not very quantifiable. Okay, now let's compare it to some tizen signals. Let's, for example, go to the end of last year, 31st of December, and let's look at Gala to USDT. And as you know, tizen runs on the daily chart. So on Gala, for example, we had a signal we had a limit order at 15.97, and it appeared here on the 31st in the morning. It's always like something like 3 o'clock. Oh, this one was actually later. Okay, 9 p.m. in the morning. Definitely some time on that candle. And from there we had this 139% pump. And as you can see, for example, it's a very good example here actually. The candle close of this buy signal gave us maybe these 10%. So it's a trend-based indicator and it will always be way too late. Let's look at something else. Let's say NEO on the same day. I didn't look into that beforehand actually. Let's see if it plays out. 31st. Again. Yeah, at least 12%. Let's go another day back. Maybe some more random altcoin. PYR, USDT on Binance. That was the 30th of December, sorry. Right at the bottom here. Nice 26% pump. And LuxAlgo, again, just coming with the trend. So to sum it up, it doesn't contain any sort of alpha. And why is that? That's because LuxAlgo is basically just an inbuilt TradingView indicator, or it's not even unique to TradingView. It's a commonly used indicator called the supertrend. And if you compare that with the LuxAlgo, the lines you see here are the supertrend lines, and they not 100%, but let's say 90, 94, 96% of the time they're going to match exactly with the LuxAlgo signals, right? You got a strong sell here, supertrend turning red. LuxAlgo was a bit earlier here. Here, actually, the supertrend was much better. Here they match the same and basically at the same price level, but a little bit different timing. It's going to be more precise on smaller time frames, actually. Showing you that. Both turning green, both turning red, both turning green. Supertrend to stay. And yeah, you can look through it yourself, I guess. This PYR actually has weird movements here. Let's check it again on Bitcoin. So there you got it. Basically, it's a free to use indicator that everyone can just put on its chart. And of course, the markets are so efficient with that already that there's no way that you can just trade it, especially in a way of buying in here and selling here. It can appear to look good. I also tried that at the beginning, but it will never, ever be profitable, especially in ranging markets. When you see a signal appears here and the exit is here, it's gonna be a loss. This is gonna be a loss. This is gonna be a massive loss, and so on. not even taking into account any kind of slippage or fees. So without defying it, I can actually tell you it's not going to be profitable. So why am I having it still on my Fiverr gigs? Here, teach you how to use WooCommerce and LuxAlgo trading bots, just because so many people are looking for it. And I always tell them, no, please don't use it. You're just going to lose money. You're going to lose money with the subscription. You're going to lose money with trading it. Get something quantifiable, find alpha, find it yourself, use Tizen, use somebody else's alpha. Definitely don't fall into the trap of trying to use trend-based indicators as a complete systematic trading approach. That's dangerous and that's going to make you lose money. That's not why we went into trading. So with that, stay healthy, stay strong. See you in the next one.